Want to import your own songs into Dead as Disco? I'll show you how to get your music into the game and start creating. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Open Dead as Disco. First, launch Dead as Disco and go to the main menu where you can access your project files and settings. Step 2. Find the Import Music option. Navigate to the Import Music section in the settings or project options. This is where you can add external songs into your game. Step 3. Choose your song files. Click on Browse or Import and find the song files you want to import. The game typically supports MP3, WAV, or other standard audio file formats, so make sure your music is in one of these formats. If this is helping so far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Step 4. Adjust audio settings. Once your song is imported, you may need to adjust the audio settings like volume, fade in, fade out, or loop settings depending on your project needs. Step 5. Save and apply. After importing and adjusting the song, save your project and apply the changes. You can now use your custom music within the game or project. That's how you import songs into Dead as Disco. Upload your music, adjust settings, and get creative. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.